What if I told you her biggest fear isn't being left? It's the terrifying possibility of finally being understood. When a woman feels truly seen rather than just heard, she feels valued. It doesn't comfort her. It shatters her entire reality. Setting the stage of hidden fear. Her identity, her defenses, her entire ego structure, all those walls she spent years building, they start to crumble. And that level of emotional exposure? It's not just rare, it's dangerous. To her ego, to her survival instincts. Most men will never even get close enough to trigger this. But those who do, they don't just attract her, they haunt her. Why emotional exposure is terrifying for her. Imagine carrying a lifetime of emotional armor. Imagine surviving betrayal, disappointment, fake promises, fake love. Now imagine someone walks into your life, and in one conversation, one touch, one moment, they see through everything. Not just your smile, not just your laughter, but the loneliness you hide behind it, the pain you joke about, the fear you pretend isn't there. The girl who couldn't be touched. There was once a girl, beautiful, brilliant, funny. She had her walls so perfectly crafted that even she believed she was strong. No man ever touched her core. They all fell for the mask, until one day, a man came along. He didn't try to impress her. He didn't try to fix her. He simply saw her. He asked a question that pierced her like a blade. When did you first decide it wasn't safe to trust anyone? In that moment, she realized he wasn't talking to her adult self. He was speaking to the wounded little girl inside her. Understand this. When a woman feels emotionally naked, it's the ultimate loss of control. Her mind races. Am I weak? Am I exposed? Can I survive this kind of closeness without losing myself? Her ego screams to rebuild the walls. But her soul whispers, stay. And that's why the men who reach this depth aren't just remembered, they're unforgettable. They change her internal world forever. Tease. What most men get wrong. Most men think they need to impress her, be funnier, be richer, be better. Wrong. The real game isn't fought with words or gifts. It's fought in the silence between two souls. It's fought when you see the micro shift in her eyes after a joke, when you notice the sadness behind her laughter, when you don't react like every other man who got scared and ran. Set up the forbidden knowledge. Now here's the truth no one talks about. The real skill isn't empathy, it's not communication, it's not even vulnerability. It's something almost no one has even heard of, and those who do know it, there's no going back. Because once you master it, you don't just attract women, you awaken parts of them they've hidden even from themselves.